If you damage a nearby shingle during repairs, you must stop and fix it immediately to prevent water entry. First, assess the severity by running your hand gently over and under the damaged area to feel for looseness and look for cracks or missing granules. For a small tear or nick, use a high-quality roofing caulk that is rated for asphalt shingles and apply a thin bead underneath the torn edge, then press the shingle down and hold for a few seconds to seat it. Wipe any excess caulk away so water will not pond. If granule loss is localized, sprinkle a little loose granule shingle repair material or match granules from an unused shingle and press them into the fresh caulk to restore UV protection. For a lifted shingle, lift it from the lower edge and drive a corrosion-resistant roofing nail through the tab into the deck at a 45-degree angle, then seal the nail head with a dab of caulk to prevent leaking. When a large section is split or missing, remove the damaged shingle carefully by sliding a flat bar under the tabs and extracting the nails. Slide a replacement shingle into place and secure with nails under the shingle above so fasteners are covered, then seal the replaced shingle edges with caulk. Always work from the bottom up, keep the roof surface clean and dry, and wear fall protection and soft-soled shoes so you do not cause further damage. Common mistakes include covering a split with too much caulk, which traps moisture and accelerates deterioration, so use a modest bead and ensure proper adhesion instead of slathering. Relying on mismatched granules for large areas looks poor and fails to protect, so replace the shingle when granule loss exceeds a small patch. Failing to secure the replacement shingle under the shingle above leaves exposed nails and potential leaks, so always tuck the new shingle under the course above and seal nail heads. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and browse contractor profiles to evaluate fit for roof repairs. We also help contractors find work and connect with homeowners, and we host a discussion community where users and pros share tips and ask questions.